As the sun begins its slow descent, a golden light washes over the village. The hustle and bustle of the day gently fades, replaced by a quiet, almost sacred calm. The air once filled with the sounds of work and life now carries only the distant call of a bird and the soft rustle of leaves. This is the time when the world seems to take a deep breath, and we, along with it, begin to unwind. In the garden, a father and his young son move together in a silent, practiced rhythm. Their hands, one large and weathered, the other small and learning, work side by side. They are harvesting vegetables for the evening meal. There's no need for words between them. The shared task, the connection to the earth, speaks volumes. Each pull of a carrot from the soil, each snap of a green bean from its vine is a small act of provision, a quiet lesson in where our food comes from. It's a moment of pure connection, grounded in the simple, honest work of their hands. The basket slowly fills with vibrant colors, the deep purple of an eggplant, the bright red of a ripe tomato, the rich green of spinach. This is the bounty of their own small patch of land, a reward for their patience and care throughout the seasons. Inside, the kitchen begins to come alive, not with noise, but with soft, familiar sounds. The gentle clink of a knife against a wooden cutting board as vegetables are chopped. The soft hiss of onions as they hit a warm oiled pan, the quiet bubble of water beginning to simmer on the stove. These are the sounds of home, the melody of a meal being prepared with love. Each sound is a note in a comforting symphony, a backdrop to the peaceful transition from day to night. The aroma of garlic and herbs begins to fill the air, a warm and welcoming scent that promises nourishment and comfort. It's a sensory experience that grounds you firmly in the present moment, a reminder of the simple joys that make a house a home. With the preparations underway, a peaceful walk by the river calls. The air here is cooler, carrying the fresh scent of water and damp earth. The river flows steadily, its surface reflecting the deepening colors of the twilight sky hues of orange, pink, and purple blending into a tranquil masterpiece. The gentle murmur of the water is a soothing balm for a tired mind, washing away the remnants of the day's worries. Each step along the familiar path is a meditation, a chance to simply be, to watch the water flow, to feel the cool breeze on your skin, and to appreciate the profound beauty of nature's gentle embrace. This is not a walk with a destination. It's a journey into stillness, a moment to reconnect with the world and with oneself. Back in the kitchen, the cooking process continues, a lesson in patience and care. Watching over a simmering pot, stirring slowly to keep it from sticking, adjusting the heat just so it's an art form. It teaches you to pay attention, to be present. You can't rush it. Good food, like many good things in life, requires time. It's about nurturing the ingredients, coaxing out their best flavors, and transforming them into something that will nourish the body and soul. This mindful act of cooking is a form of self-care, a way of showing love for yourself and for those you are feeding. It's a quiet ritual that connects us to generations past. To all the hands that have stirred pots and kneaded dough in kitchens just like this one. Finally, the family gathers around the table. The meal is simple, made from the very vegetables they picked just a short while ago. But after a day of work and activity, it is deeply, profoundly satisfying. Each bite is full of flavor, a testament to the freshness of the ingredients and the care with which they were prepared. This is not just food, it's the culmination of a day's effort, a shared experience that brings everyone together. The warmth of the meal spreads through them, a comforting and grounding presence. In a world of fast food and hurried dinners, a simple, home-cooked meal feels like a luxurious act of rebellion, a declaration that some things are worth slowing down for. Around the table, conversation flows easily, without urgency or expectation. They talk about the small things, from their day, a funny-shaped cloud, a new flower that bloomed, a story from a book. There are no grand pronouncements, no heated debates. It's a gentle exchange, a soft weaving of individual threads into a shared family tapestry. Laughter comes easily, and moments of comfortable silence are just as welcome. This is a safe space where everyone is heard and valued, where connection happens not through grand gestures, but through the steady, quiet rhythm of everyday life. It's in these simple conversations that bonds are strengthened and memories are made, one quiet evening at a time. As the meal winds down, a loving voice gently reminds everyone, it's time to slow down, time to rest. It's not a command, but a tender invitation, an acknowledgement that the day is done and it's okay to let go, to recharge. It's a reminder that rest is not a luxury, but a necessity. In our constantly moving world, the permission to simply stop and be still is one of the greatest gifts we can give each other. It's a culture of care that values well-being over constant productivity, peace over perpetual motion. This simple phrase anchors the evening, signaling a collective shift towards rest and renewal. Night falls, wrapping the small home in a blanket of quiet warmth. The lights inside cast a soft, welcoming glow, a beacon of safety and comfort in the surrounding darkness. The sounds of the evening wind down the clatter of dishes being washed gives way to the turning of a page, and soon to the soft, even breathing of sleep. The house settles into a deep and peaceful slumber, holding its family securely within its walls. The village outside is still dreaming under a canopy of stars. This is the essence of sanctuary, a place where the world fades away and all that matters is the warmth and love held within. In the end, we realize that true peace isn't found in a distant paradise or a grand escape. It's discovered right here in the ordinary, shared moments of our daily lives. It's in the feel of the earth in your hands, the aroma of a meal cooked with love, the sound of a loved one's voice, the quiet comfort of a home at rest. It's the profound beauty of a simple family routine, a quiet evening in the village where life's most precious gifts are found not in doing more, but in simply being together. Thank you for sharing this quiet evening with us. Follow along for more moments of peace and simple beauty.